There it goes. Little pop. Did you guys hear that?
I did hear that.
So we have Carmela back. We haven't seen Carmela in 2 years, and this is Joy, her owner and mom. Carmela is so cute. She's pretty much blind, right?
Yeah.
And how old is she? She's
16, she'll be 17 in 6 months.
Yeah, so she's a real senior dog. And tell us a little bit about the origin of how many years has she been with you, and how did you find her, and how did that come about?
I owned her parents, so those were my first 2 dogs, and then I let them mate about 2 years into having them, and we had Carmela. So I literally have had her since she was born.
Yeah, so you really have been with her
Yes.
whole life, because came from a litter of her parents that you owned.
Exactly.
Yeah. How many were in that litter? Do you remember?
2, just 2, because her mother Ginger was really small. And the second dog didn't make it just because of the placement. The vet said
that happens.
Balloon. Yeah, so Carmela was the only one that made it.
And she made it all the way to you.
I had 3 dogs at that point, and now, we just have Carmela. So Ginger passed in 2019.
And you guys can see that her eyes are cloudy from cataracts, and she's a senior dog, and she was a senior dog when I worked on her 2 years ago.
Yeah, she could still see then, but she's...
Yeah.
Relatively, she's healthy, you know, just the normal aging, arthritis.
So what were you thinking about today? Like you called us up, you got on the schedule. What was your idea today?
Her spine, I've noticed her just kind of wincing a little more with her back, and I just think her arthritis is affecting her in the spine. And then I noticed like a hunch kind of right
she's
here.
humping up right in the middle there.
And so,
And has that been happening for a little while?
A couple months.
Okay.
I'd say.
So let's do this. I'm going to start with her right here. Then I might have you actually put her across your lap, and we'll pretend this is a chiropractic table on you, and we'll put her across your lap if we need to. But just for a few seconds, I'm going to have her stand until we move her. Carmela, could I work with you today? I'd like to ask. You want to check with your mom? It's okay if I work with her?
It's okay.
All right. I like to ask because I feel they know on some level that I'm asking permission, and that's what I like to do. And I'm just going to feel up around the neck, and I want to check your range of motion. A little stiff going that way. Let's see if you want to come to the right. Good range of motion to the right. She was able to touch her nose to her shoulder. That one's pretty good too. I don't like extension, could be better. Here, can you see that from the side? Doesn't want to go much higher than that. Let's pull the head down. Down is okay. We get pretty close to the sternum. And so I'm up here at the atlas now, and I'm feeling down on the neck. But I want to adjust the atlas a little bit, so I'm going to flex up a little bit. There it goes. Little pop. Give her a second. And then I'm going to bring her head back up. All the way. You guys see that? That's cool, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's a good start. And range of motion is good. Like, let's say she wanted to see the eclipse. She would put on her solar glasses and she could look up. Now, and then she just had a little shake, so that was good. So we just did her atlas. I'm going to keep working on her until she gets uncomfortable in this position. So she's got 7 bones in the neck and 13 in the thoracic, and then 7 more in the lumbars. We have 7, 12, and 5. A horse has 7, 18, and 6. So you have to know which anatomy you're working on. And we're definitely working on a dog's anatomy. And I'm here between the shoulder blades, T3 through T8. Now I'm past the shoulder blades, T6, 7, 8. And I'm just working down, and this is where the hump is.
Yeah, it's kind of hard.
So now this is where I wanted to get to, but I didn't want to miss the neck because it's good to start somewhere. And I like starting usually at the top. Did you guys hear that?
I did hear that.
I didn't do much, but I'm on the right spot at the right angle. All these segments have different facet angles, so I had to study all the different angles. And if you're on the correct angle, you can do it with a lot of ease. Notice I didn't even thrust. I just held it, guided, and I went
Click, yeah.
So now I'm going to put my hand underneath so she doesn't sag so much. She's letting me work. This is the bad spot right here. Good. So this, can I do it to your shoulder?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't think we did this last
All
time.
right. Let me turn down the speed. Can you put your hand under her belly and create like a hammock? So this is a percussive instrument, and it will move the bone a millimeter or two at a time. That's her best
That's the spot right there.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm sorry, baby.
I'm going to go down to a single stylus. That part's done. Let's let her go, see if she shakes a little bit. She's so cute.
You like that?
She's really cute. She's dainty on her feet,
You're
right?
adjusting it? Yeah.
All right, so bring her back.
Come on. Okay.
Now I want to check her lower end, her rear end.
Got a really high hump there.
Yeah, hoping this flattens it a little bit. So you're gonna hold the chest again, just enough to give it support. You can let her still be on the ground, but I'm just gonna bring this leg up into extension. And bring this right leg up into extension.
Yeah, that left one is tight.
The left one's tighter. Wait till she lets go a little bit, and then she gives it to me. Okay, good. Sorry, baby. I'm right on the hip. That's good. Nice. She's got pretty good range of flexibility. Let the knee and the hock are not stiff. Look, if you touch her feet, she knows you're touching her feet. She has good proprioceptive balance in the back legs too. So I touch her feet and she pulls away. That's a good sign. She doesn't even let me put the knuckles down. I was trying to put the knuckles down, but she won't let me, which is great. That's a great response. Because when a dog has neurological deficit, you can put their front leg paws down and they leave it there. They have no clue that you just moved it. Mm-hmm. And 5 seconds go by, 10 seconds go by, that they don't correct it. But a dog that's responsive neurologically will move it immediately. So she doesn't even let me place it this way. She's like, that's perfect. Slaps it right back down. Goes, this is my gravity. This is my 4-point stance I need to be in. Don't touch my foot. Mm-hmm. That's very healthy. This humped area might go down in the next day or two, so see how she does. I just adjusted everything, and we got that big release in the middle of the hump.
Yeah.
So, and you heard it too, didn't
Absolutely.
you? Yeah. So great. Thank you, Carmela. You're so cute and so lovely.
And here you're good with this spot.
Yeah, and look at the range of motion again. That's a lot.
You okay?
Yeah, so it's a big change. So we got the neck to open. And does she eat standing up, or does she have to lay down to eat?
Standing up.
Good. See,
She
she's pretty healthy still.
Yeah, she has a race.
You got a lot of dog left in her.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. She's gonna be with me some more years.
Yes, I think so. I really think so.
Say I'm not
Thank
going
you,
for it.
everybody. Please leave Carmela a sweet message because she is a sweet dog, and just encourage her to have a good life.
Yes.
You know, and she's loved. That's the main thing. She's with the right mommy.
Yeah. Say bye. I can't see you anymore, but bye.
Thanks, everyone.